Hello viewers, welcome to YouTube my channel. Welcome back. Believe AC service repair. Celebrate AC repair service. After Horace next business day AC repair early AM service. Appointments are available. Connect Believe HVAC for next day AC service repair. Believe after orders next day AC repair. Schedule Believe after orders next day AC repair. Names, email, phone number, address, plan service needed, service date, and in order to reduce spam, validate weight is 10x 10 into 100. Believe what is 10x 10. Submitted info and hi here have a question text use here. Experience United celebrate comfort with fast and reliable emergency HVAC service. Your HVAC system can fail at any time, leaving you feeling uncomfortable and frustrated with Believe AV is emergency after Horace. Okay, friend. Next, how do you that job right the first time? Go back and Monday, Friday AM and 7 p.m. 2350E German RD Chandler AZ Chandler AZ 85286 and info at the rate believe believeheavycom.com 48083 48086358855 after hours next day. This is new site and AC repair Phonex. Call now for AC repairs in the Phoenix metro area and shuttle service 480839. Next phone 48058594059. Do you have a recording